Chakras are energy centers at which soul connects the body. There are total 7 chakras: Mooladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, Manipura chakra, Anahat chakra, Vishuddha chakra, Agnya chakra, and Sahasrara chakra. Lower 3 chakras are the action chakras, and upper 3 chakras are knowledge chakra. In between, Anahat chakra is neutral chakra. The human life is happy and prosperous when action and knowledge is properly balanced. Chakra also defines our energy connection with earth and heaven. So it also represents the complete life spectrum of living being in this universe. The lower 3 chakra, which are action chakra, assimilates with earthly energy, and the upper 3 chakra, which are the knowledge chakra, assimilates with cosmic energy. The in-between Anahata chakra keeps a balance in between these. Today we will learn about our first chakra, that is Mooladhara chakra or root chakra. It is located at the base of our spine. Its main function is to maintain the earthly energy in equilibrium with our body. Both of our legs behaves as a plug that is fitted in the earth, and it maintains the earthly energy with our body. The basic function of Mooladhara chakra is to build up the cellular structure of life without any movement, breathing, or any metabolism. Mooladhara chakra without other chakra is same as earth without rain. Because of Mooladhara chakra only, our cellular structure of body is formed. Alone Mooladhara chakra governs the body action. But when this chakra gets synchronized with the other higher chakra, we see our life beyond our action too. And it has no luck factor till it gets support from other higher chakra. So the person mainly focused at Mooladhara chakra work hard to get success in their life. They mostly work in industrial unit where production is involved. In these places, they have an opportunity to demonstrate their physical ability. Mooladhara chakra also accumulates the impression of our all previous karma from this lifetime as well as from previous lifetimes. Sometimes it gets reflected as a birthmark during birth of a child. This chakra mainly regulates our action organs such as leg, bones, large intestine. In our senses, it associates with nose and smelling power. The gut feeling of Mooladhara chakra is, I have sufficient for survival. The representative planet of Mooladhara chakra is Earth itself, and its representative element is soil. Walking bare naked foot on earth heals the Mooladhara chakra. The demon of Mooladhara chakra is fear, which precipitates out in case of unbalanced Mooladhara chakra. The seed sound of Mooladhara chakra is Lam, and this chakra is boosted up with the low-pitched sound instruments like tabla. Its representative color is red. Our blood is also red color, which is very essential element for our survival. There are 3 stages of development of various chakras in the body. First is overdeveloped stage, second is developed stage or saturated or balanced state, and third is underdeveloped state. Anything in life in balance is useful for the life, and when there is a disbalance, it is not useful. The same way, overdeveloped and underdeveloped chakra are not useful for healthy life. So all unbalanced chakra need to be balanced by various techniques. When our Mooladhara chakra is overdeveloped or underdeveloped, our life is not balanced. Today we will see the characteristic of overdeveloped Mooladhara chakra like circle number 1. Such person is lazy, lethargic and sluggish in nature. They are very greedy and materialistic. Such persons are overly bounded in the system and arrangement that they belongs. Even when such system is toxic for them, they are not able to detach from these systems. Mostly these persons are overweighted and their bodily nature is more dominant towards their spiritual nature. In the given figure, where 2-number circle represents the balanced Mooladhara chakra, 3-number circle represents the underdeveloped Mooladhara chakra. In any of the situations, such persons remains fearful and anxious. It becomes their natural habit pattern. Most of their social actions are foolish in nature, hence they are very irritating to the society and society never easily accepts such persons. These persons are escaping by nature and mostly they doesn't bear any of the responsibilities. Their body structure is very lean and thin and it appears that their body is disconnected with their souls. Now we will see the characteristic of a balanced Mooladhara Chakra. Here in this figure, the circle 2 represents the balanced Mooladhara Chakra, while number 3 circle represents underdeveloped and number 1 circle represents overdeveloped Mooladhara Chakra. The person with balanced Mooladhara Chakra is physically fit, very active, wise, grounded, and he feels connected to the system which he belongs. Such person maintains a very beautiful balance between action and relaxation in his life. When this chakra is underactive, the person is overactive without any relaxation in life. On the other hand, when this chakra is overdeveloped, the person is too much relaxive without any action in life. When a toddler is stand up on his own leg, his root chakra is completely functional. When a child is abandoned and neglected by his parents from their love, his root chakra get unbalanced. In our young age, when our heart is broken by our beloved ones, our root chakra get disturbed. High level stressful condition in our life also disturbs our root chakra, no matter on social, physical or emotional level. Some of these problems is under our control and some is beyond our control. The first technique to rebalance your root chakra is to make yourself physically fit. With your physical fitness, you get confidence and willpower to build up your own system and living philosophy. Further, within your own build system, once you get accomplishment, your root chakra get balanced. Your spiritual enlightenment also gives you power to handle the negative situations in your life. In our previous videos, we have seen that Mooladhara Chakra is that spiritual software which creates the cellular structure of a life when it is born on earth. If there is no support of other 6 chakra to Mooladhara Chakra, it can collect some atom and assemble a dead structure of body of a life born on earth. The second chakra which involves in life creation on earth is Swadhisthana Chakra. When Swadhisthana Chakra coordinate Mooladhara Chakra and both start working together, the situation is same that there is a lot of rain in a deserted land. So basically, when Mooladhara Chakra gets support of Swadhisthana Chakra, the life become green and watery all around. If this information is useful in your life, please like my video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.